Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into the world of UFP Industries, and let me tell you, their latest report is full of surprises. It's like finding out your quiet neighbor is secretly a wood-carving ninja. Let's see what they've been up to. This document is called a Form 8K. It's basically a quick update that companies give to the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, about important events. Think of it as a corporate breaking news alert. This one is from UFP Industries and it was filed in February. This report is dated February 18th, 2025. So the events talked about probably happened around that time. The company we're talking about today is UFP Industries Inc. That's the official name. UFP Industries stock is traded on the Nasdaq stock market. You can find it under the ticker symbol UFPI. A ticker symbol is a few letters used to identify the stock on the exchange. These boxes here are just legal formalities. They are saying that this report isn't also trying to be something else, like a sales pitch or a tender offer, which is when one company offers to buy another one. This part asks if UFP Industries is an emerging growth company. It's not. So this box is unchecked. Emerging growth companies have some different rules they can follow. Now we get to the interesting stuff. Item 7.01 is all about Regulation FD disclosure. Regulation FD is a rule that says companies have to share important information with everyone at the same time. So UFP Industries is letting everyone know they've put their fourth quarter investor relations presentation on their website. An investor relations presentation is like a slideshow that the company makes to tell investors how things are going. It usually talks about how much money they made, what their plans are, and things like that. It's all there to keep investors up to date, like reading a company newsletter that also includes some of the important numbers. They also want to be clear that this report isn't officially filed in a way that makes them legally responsible for asterisk everything asterisk in it. It's more like here's the info, but don't sue us if something changes. Item 9.01 just lists the exhibits or attachments to the report. The first exhibit is the investor relations presentation, the very thing we just discussed. The second exhibit is about the filing itself with technical information so the SEC can understand the report. Finally, we have the signature. Michael R. Cole, the principal financial officer and treasurer, signed the report on behalf of UFP Industries. By signing, he's saying that he believes the information in the report is accurate to the best of his knowledge. Okay, that's the report itself. Now let's talk about what this all asterisk means asterisk. So based on this filing and what it tells us about UFP Industries investor presentation, here's my take. UFP Industries is in the business of making and selling wood and wood alternative products. They cater to a few markets, including construction, retail, and industrial. That's a pretty good place to be as they are diversified. Now, assessing the company's direction, it seems like they're trying to stay on a growth path. They're likely trying to expand to new markets and also improve their existing products. However, like any company, they face risks. Things like changes in the housing market, prices of raw materials, and the overall economy could definitely impact their business. If interest rates rise, it would be very bad for the company. It's important to keep a close eye on the company's raw material prices to ensure costs are kept low. Looking at the stock, it's harder to give a precise valuation without digging deeper into their financials. However, based on their industry and general market conditions, I'd estimate a reasonable price range for UFPI to be between $60 and $80. This assumes they continue to perform reasonably well and the overall market doesn't crash. Overall, I'd say I'm cautiously bullish on UFP Industries. They're in a stable industry and they seem to be managing their business well. However, the risks are real, so it's important to do your own research before investing. That's all for today's Corporate Decoder. If you found this analysis helpful, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. See you next time.